In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a project in Lovable Dev. Whether you're cleaning up your workspace or standardizing naming conventions, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect so you can update names confidently without disrupting your work. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Lovable Dev. In the results, choose the official Lovable Dev website. Double-check the domain so you know you're in the right place. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button and select it. Use your usual sign-in method. If your account belongs to multiple organizations, you may be prompted to choose one. Pick the organization that contains the project you want to rename. After you're authenticated, you'll land on the Lovable home screen. Here, focus on the Projects area. This is where Lovable lists what you've been working on. You should see a section with your recent projects, or a grid displaying all your applications. Take a moment to locate the specific project you want to rename. If you manage many projects, use the search or filters at the top of the page to find it faster. Also, make sure you have permission to edit the project. If you don't have the right access, the rename option may not be visible. On the project's card, move to the corner and find the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click those three dots to open the project actions. From the drop-down, choose Rename. Lovable will open a pop-up where you can edit the project's name. Type the new name exactly as you want it to appear. Clear, consistent names make collaboration and searching easier, so consider including the product, environment, or team if that helps your workflow. Avoid special characters that could cause confusion in other tools, and keep it readable. When you're ready, click Save. You should immediately see the project card update with the new name. That confirms the change was applied. If the name doesn't look right, just reopen the same three-dot menu, choose Rename again, and adjust it. In some cases, you may need to refresh a pinned browser tab or open Project Overview to see the update everywhere. Bookmarks and links to the project dashboard should continue to work as before. Renaming updates the display name across your Lovable dashboard. It doesn't typically change the underlying resources or code, but if your organization has automations tied to names, let your teammates know about the update, and that's all there is to it. Open Lovable Dev, sign in, head to Projects, open the three-dot menu on the project you want, select Rename, update the name, and save. With a few clicks, you can keep your workspace organized and easy to navigate.